Harder. Harder. Okay, let's look at it.
Alright everybody, welcome back to Y Sky Garage. In this episode we're going to try to finish up the bodywork on the Mercedes so we can get it sent down to our paint guys to get painted. The plan for today is to try to straighten out this little bend right here. You can see it's in probably a couple inches further than it should be. Full disclosure, I'm not a body guy, so this is not a how-to video. This is just how I'm doing it for cheap. Oh, look. It's looking golden. Almost got it. Just a little bit of a bend still. We got this eyelet set up now. We're gonna go ahead and try to fix this right here. You can see this back up onto the spot I was supposed to do there. So this is assuming the hood isn't bent, which I think it is slightly, but yeah, there is a crease in there we might have to get out. Look at this. We are right where we need to be. So we got just a couple bolts in here doing the test fit, and it looks like the hood is a little more bent than I thought. I might actually want to replace that. See how the hood kind of bows out. This is a new fender, so that's perfectly straight. The hood kind of bows out that way a little bit. But everything else is looking pretty good, but we still have room to move the fender in on that pivot there. But it's looking a lot nicer. Alright, so our test fit is looking pretty good. We got everything pretty much where it needs to be. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit that like button if you did, and I'll see you next time.